how to add a boarding pass to your Apple Wallet. So here's what we have to do. You may have noticed that once you enter your Apple Wallet and click on the plus sign, you don't have the option to add a boarding pass. However, here's how we can actually do it. You will need to go into the App Store, and depending on the agency you're flying with, you want to search for their specific app. So for example, if you're flying with Ryanair or Wizz Air, you will just click on the app itself. Now, you may have noticed here that once we have downloaded the app, you want to download the app, and here in the screenshot I'll show you. Once you get your verification email, then it's going to look a little something like this, and underneath the QR code you have an option called Add to Apple Wallet. So this is going to work the same for all of the different agencies which you use to fly with. So once you receive your boarding pass on your email or as a notification, you will have an option to add it to the Apple Wallet somewhere on the boarding pass itself. And once you select it, then this is going to add it to your Apple Wallet and it's immediately going to show up. So I hope this makes sense. I hope this helps you. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.